Hello, welcome back to the channel. Hope all of you are doing great today. Today on today's episode, we are going to discuss about HTML tag. Okay, I think all of you have heard about HTML tag. There are various type of tag, from structural tag, text formatting tags, then form tag also, then media tag, list tag, table tag, then semantic tag, metadata tag. Okay, we'll discuss all about this. Okay. Okay, now basically tag are the fundamental element of any website. Okay, now by using HTML we can define the structure. Okay, what kind of website we have to create? It is just like a skeleton. Okay, now let's see structure tag. Okay, at first we have to see the structural tag. Okay, the main tag that hold everything from in the HTML. It is the set of language on HTML page. When you have to set up the HTML code, then you have to set it as HTML as dot HTML. Okay, dot HTML is this is the HTML. Okay, this is fall under the HTML tag, and on the first you have to write the HTML. Okay, this is the example. Okay, you can copy this and use on your own education purpose also. I do not do anything for this. Then head means that title. Okay, like the title, but it cannot be shown on the screen. Okay, let me demonstrate. Okay, this is the head. Okay, my cool page. Okay, it is not shown. Okay, so when you put the yacht one, then it will be displayed as this type of structural tag. When you put here structural tag, then it can be displayed. Can you edit this? No, we cannot edit this. Okay, then body means contain everything what you see on the web page, like image, text, and the button also. Now here I have made this example. Okay, this is my home page. Okay, here we have written welcome on H1. Then this is my home page. Okay, so this is the body. Hello old. Okay, this is the example. Then I have made it so it will be easier for you to understand about this. Then the box group content often used to style or organize the part. When there are lot more code on your web page, if the website is very complex and fully stack with lot more feature, then we have to use div. So divide and making it better to and understand and making the proper grouping. Okay, main, so the content of the page and key information of your history. Now HTML heading. Okay, now we have to see this h1 heading. Okay, heading tag h1, this is the most biggest and the most important heading used for the main title. Okay, when you use h1 heading, then this output is displayed like this. Then when you use another H2 heading, then the output will be displayed like this. It is slightly smaller than H1 also. Then H3 will display like this subsection, then subsection. Now H4 is smaller subsection, then H5, H6. Mainly on writing the blog we have to use H4 as a content. Okay, and main title we have to use this. Then introduction as a subtitle or subheading we have to use H2. Okay, then H6 also. Now text formatting tag means paragraph. Okay, using p tag we can create a paragraph like a short history or the description. Now b tag used to make a text bold also. Okay, so here you can see the bold text. Now when you use italic, then the movie name italic can be used also here and makes our text italic down. Then strong, so the important text in bold means when there is warning sign or any another danger sign, then we have to use strong. Okay, like this it is exclamatory marks use here. Okay. Okay, now em tag mainly used for emphasize the text in italic, like stressing or word means when this is slightly italic. Yeah, this is also used for making it clear. Okay, now visit site we have to use this one also. Now where is that? Now a tag is mainly used to create another page of the website, like visit button. When you click on this, then visit site will be displayed as output. Then this visit site, when you click on this, then we can go to the page of www.google.com. You can understand about this also. Span means a small container or style of the uh, piece of text coloring the one old. When you have to color only one code in a web page, then we have to use span. Okay, span means this style color red. When you color red, okay, then it is color on the red color. Okay, now br tag means it is used to break the line. When first line is complete, then br tag is used. Then line one on first one, if we didn't use br tag, then this two line will be displayed continuously, not on vertical way, but it will be displayed on horizontal way. Then horizontal tag are used to separate the content like this. Okay, you can see here horizontal line here also. This is the example of HR tag. Then subheading makes the text smaller and lower like chemical formula. Sub means S2O. Okay. Now super means make the text smaller or higher like exponent using means this square like okay. This is the square. Then this is under square means below. Okay. Sub is used to make the number a number or any kind of text below the main text like this one h is the main, then sub means this. Okay, now sup means upper. Okay, like we used to say as power. Okay, the likely power exponent, but in common word we used to say power. Then abbreviation means abbreviation means the short form. Okay, full form means long form, then abbreviation means short form. Hypertext markup language. When you we use abbreviate title, then if here in place of HTML, then when we place here CSS, then when we place CSS, then we have to write here cascaded style sheet. Then CSS will be displayed here also. Okay. Now we have to use form tag also. Form tag means here create a form that so when you see the sign up page, login page, and then dot. If we have connected by removing this slash, then dot, then we can click on that and that page will appear. Okay. Now here input text, add a field for the user input like text box or the text box also. Now enter text name, we can enter our name also. Can you enter? Then agree, this is the input field. Okay, where inside the box we can input the code is here. Input text type, name placeholder, name input type, checkbox. Okay, name, agree also. Now when text area, it will helps to create a big text area for typing a longer message like comment. Okay, when we enter this, it is just like a feedback. When you have feedback tab here, then you can write a long feedback the for your website. Then button, I think all of you are familiar with this. Submit means when you make here, we have written here submit, so submit is displayed. Okay, this is the example of button. When you click here, this is the type of the button. Okay, button also. Label means the field make it clear what to enter. Means when we have to enter a name, we have to make it clear about this, then enter a name. Then when we have to enter the last name, then we have to make it here in place of name we have to make it here last name, then make it here last name. Okay, then last name will be displayed here. Select color, select, we have to choose the various kind of color. Then here red, blue, orange. Okay, now here option value 2 blue will be displayed. Okay, then option value 3 another of yellow will be displayed. Okay, here select also, we can select this. Then option define an item with drop down menu means this one is example of another drop down menu. When you click on it then related to this is displayed. Okay, this is example of drop down menu, so I made you clear about this also. Okay, drop down menu. Now field sheet means group of related field together like contact form. Okay, when we have to enter the text, then a legend, add a title as a field sheet, a group in a form. Okay, when we used to add a title in a field sheet here, this is quite, both of them are quite related form also. Consider this. Then it is used to add the title in a field sheet, group in a form. Okay. Now on the next we will move towards the meta tag. Okay, meta tag means img tag used to insert the image. Okay, here this is the file path of our folder. Okay, So we have copied that file part, then make the cat.jpg, then the image of cat will be displayed. Then here audio, play audio like music or podcast. So if you want to enter audio, then you have to do this. Then the source like src means mp3 or image also. We can specify that for audio, video, image also we have to specify. Then if here video, then that may be an mp4 also. Then if here is image, then png or jpg, mainly jpg we have to use. Now video means we have to enter a video here. Then here, when we have to, if we just want to enter a image or a media means another multimedia, just like image, photo, video. Okay, this one is this figure tag is used. Figure caption is used to make a caption here also, like describing a image. When here is a sunny day, if we place a picture of sunny day here, then the sunny day caption will be displayed. Okay, now list tag also here, ul tag, it is used to make a bullet point list. Okay, like a shopping list. This one is bullet point. Okay, this dot milk egg is a bullet point. Okay, now it is used to make a numbered list. Okay, so when we have to make a number, then one, two, this will be automatically sorted also. One, two, three, and you can enter manually also. This one bullet list and order or number list also. Decline an item or order list. Apple. Okay, apple here mix floor, then here edx. If we can customize, then it can be also customized. Now makes a list, item and their description like a dictionary. Okay, now when we have apple, when you enter apple here on the top, then apple is a fruit. Then this is the description like a dictionary. Okay, we have to make it like this. Then define a term, a dr list like a word in a dictionary. Okay, it is used to define a term. Okay, when we have to define html, then this is used. Then define a term, dr list like a definition. So both of them are quite similar term. Okay, this is title, then this is description. Okay, so dt means title, then this one is description. Understand about this. Now table tag, I think all of you are familiar. Table tag, create a table to show a data like class schedule also, day, Monday, subject, math also. Now table tr th, day also, tr subject, tr Monday also, table also. Now here make a row in a table to hold a cell also, row 1, row 2 also. td, add a data cell in a table like a student name also, zone. td, th, add a header cell in a table like name. This one is header. Okay, semantic tag, article, when we have to hold a complete piece of content like blog post or news history section. Group related content like a chapter in a book also. Navbar, this one is navbar. Home about, this is the example of navbar also, you can learn through this. Navbar also, about also. Now header, this is the header of the title on the first site where it is displayed my site. Then footer, 2025 my site. Okay, aside means fun fact, means when this is not mainly focused also, if you can place on sidebar like this one is sidebar. Okay, we call it as a sidebar. Here is example, the same like this here, aside also. Then when we use the meta tag also, this title, we have already discussed about this link also. And method chart set means it helps to add a info about the page like character set, and which is not visible to the user. Okay, link means we have to link, if there is style.css, then that can be linked. Then if there is script.js, then we can link through this also. If there is another navbar or home page or another page, we have to link through link tag also. You can see here style sheet. Okay, so if we make here page, then href page dot html or about us dot html, we can link it. Okay, script means which is used to add a javascript button. Okay, like a button at work. Here is script. Okay, mainly it is used for javascript scripting. Okay, we have to, if we want to enter a script on html. Okay, pre-text, so the text exactly as written with a space, line break like a code. So if here pre means we have to same exactly function hold. If here is this space on function after uh, after function before hello, here is you can see space here also, that was exactly written over here. Code may marks the small piece of the code within the text within the function name also. User console.log to debug. Okay, now backcode be the change. Okay, now iframe when we have to embed the YouTube video, then another video from copied from another website, we have to use this. Like we have to, I'll demonstrate about that iframe clearly on next episode also. Canvas, canvas means displaying height with, if this canvas from this one to this one, white is 200 pixels, then height is 400 pixels. This one is considered as a canvas also. Okay, create a collapsible section like user can open or close. When you click on click me, then it can be showed also. When you click on this button, then it has hidden info also. This is the example. Okay, and now another also we have to discuss iframe canvas detail also. Now summary also, the detail section of that page summary FAQ uh, means summary tag means it makes us detail about this. Hope you guys understood about this HTML tag. Okay, so I think I am done my best to make you clear about this. Okay, so you can understood in a very detailed way. So you can be a better programmer. So I have make this example so you can easily understood with this description, then code, then this format. Okay, so you can easily understood and become a better programmer. Okay, this was all for today. So we don't have much more resources to make a 3D animated or quite more good edited video. So if this channel expand, then we will certainly make that also. Okay, have a great day. If it the channel couldn't expand, we maybe lose, then we maybe collapse also, we maybe vanish from internet also. Have a great day.